Hey, Grandma and Grandpa. Hello. Zachary's smiling a lot now. Oh, and he just threw up. That's nice, all over your blanket. Hello, monkey. Hello, Zachary. Can you smile for Grandma and Grandpa? Yeah. Smile. Hey, Cookie. Hello. Hello. We went to the doctor this morning, didn't we? Yeah. Hello, monkey. Hello. Hello, pumpkin. Can you smile? It's getting very long. Hey, pumpkin. You good boy? Hey? Yeah. Do. Kick, 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 kick. We don't quite fit into these pajamas yet, but we're working on it. Hey, we're working on it. Yeah. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. I can't wait to come to Port Dover. See all those motorcycles. Yeah. Hello. Hello, monkey. Ooh. Ooh. Can we get a smile? Can we get a smile? Say bye. Say bye.